I tried calling last night, but you ain't picked up. You ain't even bothered trying to make up. You at my house sitting down, no communicate. You say you wanna go out, but never on a date. You always had another guy on the side. Why you do me wrong when I always did you right?
You never wanna listen what I'm really trying to tell you. You wanna start crying, my words start to kill you. Try to take you home when you get a little drunk. You talking that shit, I'ma put you in the trunk. Not trying to hurt you, girl, but I know you got another nigga on the side. You always on the phone when I start to drive. Never wanna look at me eye to eye. And when you do, you always telling me lies.
Tell me how you feel. Tell me, is it real? From the way we first met, you still have my back. 'Cause I still care. Will you still be here? I need to know.
Yeah, you gotta let me know, girl. Feel it to this. Every other time you be acting like you fine, but deep down you really crying, telling people all the time that you happy but you lying. Trying hard to forgive me, but really you feel guilty, and it kills me that you give me all the time. If you love me, you assured. If we ain't got it, we can grow it. Give a chance, stop trying to blow it. You do it all the time. You take my heart and you hurt it. It's the way you say it, the way you word it. Why you always playing with me? Is you leaving or you staying with me? Straight ass is really what I'm looking for. It really matter if you truly really tryna go.
Tell me how you